Greetings! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're talking about solar energy for the home, and I made a reference to the link down below to our website, and that's homesolarinc.com. On that website, we shot an 11-minute video that talks all about residential solar, takes it from the very beginning to the very end. If you have any questions about solar, you can find it on that video, and it's at that link below. But one of the things I wanted to talk to you about while I've got you here, the most common question I get from people is, does solar make sense for me? And I think what they're really asking is, am I going to save any money if I get a solar system? And the answer is, maybe. And the reason I say maybe is, it has to do with how much energy you consume in your home. If you have electric bills that run $50, $60, $70 a month, then I got to be honest with you, solar's probably not right for you. But like so many of us in California, if your electric bills run 150, 200, 300 and up, then very definitely solar is going to be right for you. But the first thing we have to do is we have to determine how much energy you consume in your home. And I'm talking not about dollars and cents. I'm talking about kilowatt hours of consumption. What you need to do is to go back a year in your power bill. We get 12 months, total them all up, divide by 12 to get an average, and put that number in the solar calculator that's on our website. And it will size the solar system for you. And that's the first step to getting solar, is finding out how much solar do I need. So the answer to that is on the website. Look on the link below, watch the video, and get that first answer to that first question. Thanks.